This tutorial teaches only a small portion of this dance. This is not a tutorial for the full dance.
Bring your right knee up slightly and bring both fists up above your head to push out toward the camera as if slamming them against a wall as you stomp your right foot back down. Bring your hands to the front of your hips and push outward with your chest twice. Step out to the right on your right foot and bring both arms up to the right, bending your elbows and curling your fingers into fists. Spin your fists around each other for 2 counts as you move them down to the left and lean in the same direction. Then swing your right fist down to the left. Stand up straight and extend your arms out to either side as you rock slightly to the right, then rock to the left. Repeat these last 4 counts in the opposite direction. Put your left hand on top of your right hand, then bring your hands up in front of your face, palms facing out, as you angle your left elbow up and your right elbow down. Pull your arms to the left as you move your head to the right and bend your knees a bit, turning your left knee to the right. Bend your knees a bit more as you do this move in the opposite direction. Repeat these 2 counts. Turn to face the right, then bend both elbows, pulling your arms down as you bring your left knee up. Quickly bring your left foot down and your right knee up, then bring your right foot back down as you move your arms forward and down. Step back on your left foot, then curve your right arm down into the left, then back out to the right as you turn to face the left, and bring your right foot over to meet your left foot. Bring both hands up behind your head, elbows pointing out to either side. Move your elbows back, then push them forward. Step out with your left foot as you swing your left arm out in front of you and over to the right, index finger pointing up. Then bring your left foot over to meet your right foot so that you are facing the camera and drop your left arm. Jump to move your feet apart as you quickly punch up with your right fist, then bring it back down. Turn slightly to the left and bend your right elbow, swinging it back and up to the right. Curve your right arm down in front of your chest, then back up to the right so that your hand is near the right side of your head. Bring your left forearm horizontally in front of you as you move your right elbow near your left fist and bring your right foot over to meet your left foot. Punch straight up with your right fist, then bring your arm back down. Take a few steps as you punch first straight up with both fists, then out to either side with both fists, then straight up with your right fist, then out to either side with both fists, and finally out to either side with both fists twice.